everybody. So this is another gorgeous day. I mean gorgeous. The flag is blowing in the wind. It's roughly 60 degrees. This is Friday, the 9th of January. And let me tell you, it's been 2 weeks today. It was two Fridays ago today. Today's Friday. It was 2 Fridays ago today that Stephen and I both woke up real sick with the flu. So that was the day after Christmas. So yeah, so that was 2 weeks ago that we were like coughing and hacking and going to the doctor. So a lot has happened in 2 weeks. Sure, the Christmas holiday's over with now and the New Year's holiday. And here it is, the 9th of January. And Stephen's been out here working on the truck for several hours this morning. And then he drove by and took it for a test drive. I looked out the window because I heard the truck going by and he was taking it for a test drive. That doesn't look normal up there. What's going on up there?
Making a mess.
I know, why?
Because ain't anything better to do.
Now you said something about the Jake brakes. You said something about that. What's going on with the Jakes?
Not working like it should.
Yeah, I'm not used to seeing all that oil pop up like that. Well, that wasn't even originally a problem, right? Originally.
I don't know if it's a problem now. I just making sure.
Oh, can you point out to me the new wiring harness you put on yesterday?
Nope. Too late. I covered it up already.
Oh, you've already covered it up.
You should have asked when it was still open.
Okay, well, my bad. Alright, yeah, Stephen put on a new wiring harness yesterday, so now it's all covered up and I didn't get to show that to you all. But you said last night that it's not anything that you think looks really good.
It's cheap. Cheaply made.
Well, you all, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I missed the opportunity to show you the new wiring harness. But we did do a live last night, and Stephen was talking about how he wasn't too keen on what the new wiring harness looked like. He said it definitely doesn't look like a really stable wiring harness. All right, you all, that's just a very quick update. So Stephen's got some more issues that he wasn't aware of, I guess, and so I will let him explore those issues and get out of his way. But that is a very quick update. Is something might possibly be going on with the Jake brakes. And again, I'm sorry I didn't show you all the new wiring harness. Missed my opportunity to do that. If you joined us last night for the live, we appreciate that. I guess by now, most of you might know that we do not do a good job of advertising. Well, in fact, we don't. We just don't advertise and say, hey, we're going to go live. When the mood strikes, we just go live. And that's how it's always been with us, with our channel. I know that many channels will give you a couple hours or maybe even a day in advance notice that they're going live. And of course, you get a bigger audience when you do that because people know to tune in. So you have a bigger audience waiting. But that's never worked for us. If the mood just strikes, we just go live. And did y'all hear that gunshot? Somebody's out shooting today. There's another one. But it was a lively live last night. Brought in a lot of attention. So, with a title like that, it sure did bring people to the channel last night. So, in case you missed it, there were some rumors going around that we had to dispel that no, Stephen did not get fired from Tim Gentry, or Gentry and Sons. He did not get fired, but there was a lot of rumors going around that because he hadn't been to work in 3 weeks that he was fired. But you all that watch our channel know that Stephen's been recovering from the flu. So we've had holidays in there and recovering from the flu and some setbacks with the truck. Some bad weather, and so no, even though he's been home for 3 weeks, he is not fired from Gentry and Sons Trucking. But all it takes is one person to say something, and then that's how the rumor mill gets started. But there was a lot of interest in that, for sure.
There goes that Stephen being mean again. Have a wonderful day wherever you are.
I forgot my life. Fridge.
Have a wonderful day.
You are.
God bless.
And later, ladies and gentlemen. Have a wonderful day.
Wherever you are, man.
God bless.
And